Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about smart storage ideas for the space under your stair. If you have got a space under your stair, you have got some great ideas to help you use it wastely. Let's talk about that hidden space under your stair. It's like a secret spot that can be super useful. Use side outdoors. They are like big trays that you can pull out, great for strongly things like shoes and bags. Try open shelves. They have like walls shelves but under your stair. Use them to put things on display like books or decoration. Make bullet in cupboards. These are like hidden closet under the stair, perfect for taking away stuff neatly. Turn it into a cozy corner. You can put soft cushions, a lamps, and some books to make a comfy reading spot. Need a tiny office? You can make ones under the stair with a desk and your work staff. Love wine. Use the space for a little wine nook. It's fancy way to store your bottles. Make it a spot for your pets. Add their beds and a place for their toys. Need a laundry spot or a place to take off dirty shoes? This space under the stair can do the job. Lastly, consider a secret pantry. It's like a hidden kitchen storage area for your food. And there you have it. Smart storage ideas for this space under your stairs. Don't let this space go to waste. Use it smartly. And there you have it, smart storage ideas for the space under your stairs. Don't let this space go to waste. Use it smartly. If you found these ideas useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home organization tips. Share your thoughts and let us know if you have other home important topics you have like us to explore in the comments below. Until next time, may your understairs space be super handy.